everyone, welcome back. Today, we're looking at something that's going to blow your mind. The all-new 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury hotel with Cadillac's bold design, futuristic tech, and an interior that looks like it belongs in a five-star suite. We're talking crystal decanters, velvet headboards, granite countertops, and even a spa-style bathroom, all packed into one jaw-dropping machine. And wait until you hear about the performance and price tag. Stick around, because Cadillac just redefined what it means to travel in style. Just one look at this thing, and you know it isn't your average motorhome. The design is bold, futuristic, and unmistakably Cadillac. That massive front grille with the signature crest, those vertical LED light blades that run like skyscrapers down each side of the nose, and the way the body sweeps back in sculpted curves, it's like a concept car stretched into a mansion on wheels. The paint is this deep burgundy metallic that gleams under the lights, and chrome accents trace the sides like jewelry. It sits low, wide, and powerful, almost daring you to call it just a motorhome. It's more like a luxury yacht that happens to have wheels. Step inside, though, and you realize this is where Cadillac really wanted to impress. The living area feels like a private lounge. Imagine sinking into deep burgundy leather chairs stitched in gold, a walnut table in front of you with a crystal decanter waiting, and soft golden light spilling from hidden LED strips. Even the coffee table has wireless charging built in. Every detail feels carefully placed, from the aluminum accents to the heated dark oak floors. It's not just cozy, it's Cadillac cozy, which is a whole different level. Move a little further back, and you'll find a kitchen that could make you forget you're in a motorhome at all. Black granite countertops, a sleek induction cooktop, and cabinetry that slides open smoothly to reveal everything from matte black cookware to an espresso machine. Even the fridge and wine cooler are tucked away behind walnut panels. And yes, there's a fold-out breakfast bar with leather stools, perfect for a late-night snack or morning coffee. The lighting in here is clever too, bright where you need it over the counters, but warm and ambient everywhere else. So it always feels luxurious, never sterile. Now, the bedroom is probably where most people will pause and go, wow! Cadillac has created something that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a space in a motorhome. You've got a queen-sized bed with a plush velvet headboard embossed with the Cadillac crest, Egyptian cotton sheets in charcoal and gold, and hidden lighting that glows softly from under the bed and inside the wardrobes. Slide-out compartments open to reveal LED-lit storage for clothes, and subtle tech like climate control and built-in speakers disappear into the design. Privacy shades seal you in, so it feels like your own cocoon on the road. Even the bathroom hasn't been overlooked. Instead of the cramped, plasticky feel of most RV bathrooms, this one looks like a spa. White quartz walls and floors, a rainfall shower that comes straight from the ceiling, matte black fixtures trimmed with gold, and a floating vanity sink. The backlit mirror and heated towel racks add a sense of calm and comfort. It's minimalist, it's modern, and it's something you wouldn't expect to see when you step into a motorhome. Of course, it wouldn't be a Cadillac without performance. Underneath all this luxury, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is expected to be powered by a hybrid drivetrain that combines a strong V8 with electric motors for instant torque. The result? Smooth cruising on highways, effortless climbs on steep roads, and surprisingly, quiet operation when you're gliding through towns. The suspension has been tuned to soak up bumps, so passengers feel like they're riding in a limousine, not a heavy coach. And with advanced driver assistance tech like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and even semi-autonomous highway driving, long trips feel a whole lot easier. And let's not forget about features. Cadillac has packed this thing with everything you'd expect in a flagship. From a fold-down OLED TV in the living area to surround sound audio, smart climate zones, hidden storage everywhere, and even ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. Safety tech is all there too, including 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Now you're probably wondering what all this costs. Well, Cadillac hasn't officially dropped a final price yet, but industry insiders are estimating somewhere in the ballpark of $400,000 to $500,000, depending on configuration. Yes, that's a serious chunk of money. But then again, this isn't just transportation. It's a statement. It's a way to travel with all the elegance of a five-star hotel, wrapped inside the styling and prestige of Cadillac. So, what's the takeaway here? The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just another luxury RV. It's Cadillac showing that even on the open road, luxury doesn't need to compromise. It's comfort, performance, and technology fused into one breathtaking package. Whether you see it as a dream vehicle or a bold experiment, one thing is clear. Cadillac just raised the bar for what a motorhome can be. And that's a wrap for today's look at this stunning machine. If you enjoyed the tour, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of cars and motorhomes. And drop a comment. Would you take this on a cross-country road trip if you had the chance? I know I would. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.